Hello and welcome to the Newport News Public Library Baking Show. My name is Candice and with me today again is my lovely assistant Anne.
Hi Newport News. Today we are going to be baking apple bread.
And for this recipe you are going to need 3 cups of flour, and what else are we going to need?
We are going to need ground cinnamon, baking powder, if you couldn't see the cinnamon, pure baking soda, and salt.
So I already have the 3 cups of flour here in the bowl. The next thing that you're going to need to add is 1.25 teaspoons of cinnamon. So there's the half teaspoon.
And
no, that one's the teaspoon. Okay, good job.
I learned that trick from Mom.
Thank you. Okay, and then you're going to need a teaspoon
of baking soda.
Baking soda. No, a little more. Okay. All right, 1 teaspoon of salt.
A lot of teaspoons here.
Okay, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Yep.
Baking powder.
I'm sorry, baking powder. Okay. Now once you have all those ingredients in the bowl, I like to use a pastry blender
To mix this.
all my dry ingredients together.
And we're going to be using liquid ingredients next.
That's absolutely right. Once you've finished mixing up your dry ingredients, you're going to set that bowl aside, and then in a separate bowl you're going to add 2 cups of sugar, and what I already have in this bowl is 3/4 cup non-fat Greek yogurt. Now you don't have to use Greek yogurt. You can use 1 cup of applesauce or 1 cup of canola oil. It's totally up to you. Now while I'm mixing together the sugar and the yogurt, Anne is going to beat together 3 eggs. That was perfect. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Now once you've beat up the eggs are going to be added to your sugar. Thank you. Your sugar and your yogurt mixture, and then Anne, what else do we add?
We are going to add 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. Ooh, sorry.
Ooh, that's all right. Oh my goodness, okay.
I use my left hand, I'm not left-handed.
All right, so we have the 1 teaspoon of the pure vanilla extract. All right, what are we adding after that?
We are going to add 1/2 cup of pecans.
Okay, dump those in. Good. And then what else?
We are going to add 2 cups of peeled chopped apples. They can be any apples you want.
Okay, go ahead and add those in. All right.
Ooh. Can I eat these 2?
Go ahead.
The apples that we're using are delicious though.
Okay, next we're going to add the liquid ingredients into the dry. Make sure to get all of that out.
And we are going to mix this.
Yes, mix this all together.
going to put them into 2 greased loaf pans, and you're going to bake them at 350 for 1 hour.
Here are our 2 loaves of apple bread fresh out of the oven.
They smell really good. They smell like apple cinnamon.
Yes, they do smell really good. Now, depending on the ingredients that you used, whether it was the Greek yogurt, the canola oil, or the applesauce, will depend on how long they have to bake. So I would suggest around 45-50 minutes. Start using a skewer or a toothpick in the middle to see how done they are.
Thank you for joining us in our kitchen today. We really hope to see you next time. Please remember to hit the like and subscribe button. Bye.
Bye.